Hey, biology students, we are back on the 5-question series on A-level biology revision, where we've been focusing on paper 1 skills, that is multiple choice questions. We've so far done 4 questions on one topic, and that topic is cell structures. So we are now on the final question, and this final question comes from a 2024 paper that was done in May, June, and this is paper 1-2. And the question goes, this is question 3 on the paper. Which size of ribosome is found in mitochondria and typical prokaryotic cells? Now, looking at the first question we dealt with, we had some aspects of this question in that question. So because we said that mitochondria has some similarities to free-living prokaryotes, because of the endosymbiotic theory that suggests that once upon a time, the chloroplast and the mitochondria were free living. That means they had all the structures that a prokaryote has for them to function. Then over time, they moved into a eukaryotic cell. So you then find them in plant cells and animal cells. But once upon a time, they were by themselves. So whatever you find in the prokaryote, you're bound to find it in the chloroplast and the mitochondria. Okay, so that knowledge is important for you to remember. And then the second thing we're going to do, we're going to apply an elimination method before we look at which option is the best for us. Why elimination? Because we know in our syllabus, there are only 2 sizes we refer to when it comes to ribosomes, and that is 70S and 80S ribosomes. So by elimination then, it means the first 2 options cannot be correct. Okay, so the first 2 options here, we can remove them from the options available because by elimination. So we're only left with 2, that is 70S and 80S. Now, remember, we also said that prokaryotes usually or always have only have 70S ribosomes. So if prokaryotes have 70S ribosomes and mitochondria used to be like a prokaryote, it also means that mitochondria has what? 70S ribosomes. So in that case, 80S is, we can strike it out. Okay? And so our answer is what? Our answer is 70S ribosome, which is C. So that's our correct answer. So that's it. I hope you can remember to apply that reasoning. Number 1, you have to remember your knowledge of which of these eukaryotes or prokaryotes contain 70S or 80S. And then number 2, the skill we've applied is elimination to begin with, and then we've ended up with the correct answer. So that's it for the 5 question series on cell structure. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to get the 5 fresh questions that you can work on and see how well you will perform in them. So you can put your answers in the comment section, or you can also write a question. In case you get stuck, you can write a question in the comment section for me to help you figure things out. So that's it for this series. We'll see you in the next topic, where we'll do another 5 questions from a completely different topic and work the same way until we get to the end of the syllabus. Thank you very much.